Hello YouTube, it's Chris here. Today we have unboxing of a wireless charger and I'm gonna show you a case for cables. So let's start with the unboxing of wireless chargers from Vodool. I bought this one from Amazon, like £15. On the back here it says this charger has an input of 5 voltage and 2 amperes, and the frequency will be 110 to 5 kHz. Wireless distance is between 4-10 millimeters. In the box we got one wireless charging stand, one Type-C USB cable and one user manual. Yes, inside the book you have the user manual with all the instructions. We got a wireless charger. It's doing a fast charge and a normal charge. Nice rubber back here. Yep. And then we got the Type-C USB cable, and it goes in the back here, and you connect it either to your computer or your TV, or if you have a previous charger on that charger, and you can connect it to the power on the wall with USB chargers. So that's everything inside the box, and because I have so many cables, I bought this back too. So case for cable from Amazon, like £8. So this box comes with a thank you sticker, and inside we got ties for your cable. So if you want to tie up your cable, you can use this too. Yep. And we have a review letter. So like I said, inside here you can take your USB cable, and before I got this box with all the cables, and I want to move this on this one. So if you have a lot of cables, you don't know where they are, and you don't know what is it, you can buy this type of cases from Amazon with £7 to £8, or maybe if you want the big ones with up to £15. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you like my useful videos. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share it on social media. Until then, all the best. See you soon.